Chasing the ace with the Grendel. So I am up here. Howdy, hi folks, this is Playing with Fire. Like, comment, and subscribe. So, as you see, we're up at the range. We're getting a new 200 meter range being put in. That'll be done this summer. And while here, a friend of mine went down to one of the gun shows and got me this. 4 boxes at $25 a piece for a handgun that I own in an odd caliber. So 357, 125 grain Beb. It's like a soft point standard bullet for a rifle. I'm not sure what the Beb stands for, but I'll have to check it out. But that's a pretty good score. $25 a box. He owed me $50, so I got 4 boxes. That's all right.